So you're a foreclosure investor, you're looking at properties, you've seen a bunch of auctions, you want to get past that next step of due diligence. How do you get to taking action versus just observing the market? Hi, this is Dave at AFX and TitleSearch.com, talking to our foreclosure investor clients to see about getting you into the actual purchase of a property. You've read all the blogs, you've seen all the websites, you have an intention to do this. But what sets you apart as a doer versus the talkers that you see on the blogs? It involves taking action, taking that first step of looking at a property and actually doing some due diligence, some research that may take some time, it may take some money, may take some funding, starting out with analysis of the property. Does this property cash flow? Is it going to be a property that once you purchase it, take care of all the liens and mortgages and other expenses, you'll be able to sell it and have a positive cash flow left over? A title search is usually the first step that an investor will take. This is one of the first things you may actually have to spend money on. But that's where the doers and the talkers separate. When they start spending money, they start taking actual steps towards that first purchase. You may not get your first deal, you may not get your first property, but that's where you start. It may take 5 or 10 properties that you look at to get your first actual purchase. Remember, lenders spend thousands, sometimes tens of thousands of dollars on due diligence for every property they get into. So how much are you going to spend? A few hundred? You may have to buy a title search, buy an appraisal, do some comparable sales, do an inspection, but that pales in comparison to spending retail for a property with tens of thousands in closing costs plus a retail margin of maybe $20,000 or $30,000 that you'll be saving. If you're looking for more resources about foreclosure investing, you can reach us at our website at TitleSearch.com.